Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and select Settings. In the menu on the left, click Windows Update. Check whether any Windows updates are currently available. If you see one or more pending updates, click Download and install all. Wait for Windows to download and install every available update. Once the updates have finished installing, restart your computer. After the restart, open the Riot client and try updating League of Legends again. If the error continues, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and select Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, use the search box and type Riot. Right-click every Riot-related process and select End Task. You should also close any processes related to League of Legends, Riot Client, or Riot Vanguard. Make sure none of these processes are still running in the background. Now try opening the Riot Client and updating the game again. If the update still fails, continue with the next solution. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Now type the following command: SC delete VGC. Press Enter. Next, type SC delete VGK. Press Enter again. These commands remove the Riot Vanguard services from Windows. Once both commands have been completed, restart your computer. After the restart, open File Explorer. Select this PC. Then open your C drive. Open the Program Files folder. Locate the folder named Riot Vanguard. Right-click the folder and select Delete. If Windows does not allow you to delete the folder, make sure you restarted your PC after running the commands. Once the Riot Vanguard folder has been deleted, open the Riot client. Select League of Legends. You should now see an update option. Click Update and wait for the process to finish. The Riot client will automatically reinstall Riot Vanguard. Once Vanguard has been installed, you may be asked to restart your computer again. Restart your PC. After the restart, open the Riot client and launch League of Legends. The update error should now be resolved, and that's all there is to it.